In this video, we'll show you how to transfer your contacts, calendar events, photos, and videos from your old iPhone to your new Pixel. If you've already set up your Pixel phone, but still need to transfer some data from your old iPhone, you can use Google Drive. First, download the Google Drive app from the App Store on your old iPhone. If you already have the Google Drive app, make sure it's the latest version by going to the App Store. Next, open the app and sign in to your Google account. This is the same account you use for Gmail and that you use to sign into your Pixel phone. Tap the menu, then tap Settings. Then tap Backup. To back up your contacts, calendar events, photos, and videos, tap Start Backup. It'll take some time to back everything up, so make sure your phone is plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi to prevent interruptions and data charges. When your backup is complete, unlock your new Pixel phone. Your contacts, calendar events, photos, and videos will now be available to you in the Contacts app, Calendar app, and Google Photos app. Now you know how to transfer your data from an iPhone to your new Pixel phone. To learn more about your Pixel phone, watch other videos or visit the Help Center.